morning, Shave Cadre. Handle Barber Dave here. And first and foremost, happy anniversary to all the members of the TSC. Chad, Chris, and I cannot convey our sincerest thank you to you for this past year. Now, real quickly, we're going to do our stunt shave today. And we are going to use a vacuum cleaner brush to see how that works. But it's not really good enough unless you actually attach it to the vacuum cleaner hose. So that's what we're going to try today, and let's see what happens. Today we're going to be using a Genco Easy Aces, the Shaving Cadre Limited Edition soap, as well as Penhaligon's Juniper Sling for the EDT, and Gent's Gin for the aftershave. I did have, obviously, the TSC Legacy brush in waiting, but I knew that it was going to be the vacuum cleaner. But unfortunately, we weren't sure if we were going to be able to find the vacuum cleaner brush because those always seem to disappear. So anyhow, here goes. Okay, I'll try to get a, and I can't pour the water into the brush because it'll just come out the hole. So we're going to see here if this works. Oh, this is going to suck. Okay, KJ, this is for you. Okay, so we're going to try lathering this up. Attaching it to the hose. And we are ready. Okay, the hose isn't going to work, so I'm just going to use the brush itself. And I must say, this is absolutely horrid. Okay, now that my face is completely exfoliated down to sub-layers, let's see how this works. Oh, God. As you can see, I did try to clean out and sterilize this brush. I did leave it in barbicide for about 15 minutes. So I do know that any bacteria is killed, but I will say it is very interesting to shave and reduce your whiskers, but add German Shepherd hair, Border Collie hair, and cat hair to your shave. This is definitely a first. Loading the soap in this thing is horrid, but we'll try it again. The things we do for the shaving community. Okay, that's about as good as that's going to get. Let's go ahead and go for pass number 2. And I think I'm going to be calling it at 2 passes today. Because although this Genco is laser sharp, if I use the brush, one more time, rather than shaving whiskers, I am going to be shaving the enamel off my skull. So we're going to call a DFS shave today, which, as most of you know, is not really acceptable for me, but for the Stunt Challenge and the Dyson, no less, Dyson vacuum cleaner brush, I'm calling it quits. Now, the next part of this should be fun to watch. This is the aftershave. And as they say, holy that stings. I had forgotten since my early days of shaving how much an irritated face is miserable. I'm going to go cry now. And so for you, KJ, there's my stunt shave, the Dyson vacuum cleaner brush. Have a great day, guys. And once again, happy anniversary.